Today, I'm going to teach you a simple yet powerful pocket option trading strategy using the Heikin Ashi candlestick pattern, a great method for both beginners and experienced traders. To make our signals even more accurate, we'll be using two additional indicators, simple moving average and RSI indicator. Stay with me until the end, because missing any part of this video could lead to confusion. I'll explain everything step by step, including the exact settings of the indicators, so you can confidently test and use this strategy in your trading. For a complete breakdown of the strategy, including indicator settings, check the video description. You'll also find a link to the pocket option trading platform if you want to try it out. Disclaimer: trading involves financial risk. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and consult a financial expert if needed. Heikin Ashi is a special type of candlestick chart that smooths price movements and reduces market noise, making it easier to spot trends. Instead of showing every price fluctuation, Heikin Ashi helps us identify strong bullish and bearish trends. But to improve accuracy, we're combining it with simple moving average, helps track the overall market trend. RSI confirms momentum and trend strength. Now, let's break down today's strategy. Buy trade setup. Look for an indecision Heikin Ashi doji candle on the chart. A doji candle has a small body with wicks on both sides, indicating indecision. If the doji candle is below the simple moving average, wait for the price to break above the SMA. Once the price breaks above the SMA and the RSI is above the 50 level, enter a buy trade. Set the trade expiry to 5 minutes. Sell trade setup. Find an indecision Heikin Ashi doji candle on the chart. If the doji candle is above the simple moving average, wait for the price to break below the SMA. Once the price breaks below the SMA and the RSI is below the 50 level, enter a sell trade. Set the trade expiry to 5 minutes. For this strategy, we'll use a 1-minute candle time frame and a 5-minute trade expiry. There's also an advanced continuation trade strategy I'll share later when we take a live trade, so keep watching. Now let's put this strategy to the test. I'll take live trades step by step so you can see exactly how it works in real market conditions. Watch closely and follow the rules carefully. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more powerful trading strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into the live trading session and see this strategy in action. All right, traders, we have spotted a strong setup following our strategy. Let's break it down step by step. We've identified 7 indecision Heikin Ashi doji candles forming below the SMA line. After that, a big bullish Heikin Ashi candle has broken above the simple moving average and closed above it, a strong breakout signal. The RSI indicator has also crossed above the 50 level, confirming bullish momentum. According to our strategy, this is the right time to take a buy trade. To increase trade accuracy, it's best to wait for at least 2 consecutive bullish Heikin Ashi candles after the doji candles before entering a buy trade. This ensures the price has gained momentum in the uptrend. Many traders rush into trades too soon, but waiting for confirmation, like 2 bullish candles forming after a doji, can dramatically improve win rates. Trading is about waiting for the right moment, not just jumping in whenever a setup looks good. What do you think? Do you also wait for confirmations before entering trades? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's wait for the trade result. Stay tuned. Let's see how the market reacts to this setup. If the strategy works as expected, this should be a winning trade. We won this trade. This shows how powerful and accurate this strategy is when followed properly. Let's jump into the next trade setup. We found another perfect setup based on our strategy. Let's analyze it step by step. We've spotted 2 red indecision Heikin Ashi doji candles forming right on the SMA line. For our strategy, doji candles don't necessarily have to be only above or below the SMA. If they form on the SMA line, they still indicate market indecision and can be valid signals. After the doji candles, we now see 2 strong bearish Heikin Ashi candles, confirming that bearish momentum is building up. The RSI indicator is below the 50 level, which confirms the downtrend and makes this setup even stronger. According to our strategy, this is a great opportunity for a sell trade. Now let's wait for the trade to close. And there it is, traders. A successful trade, following our strategy. This is exactly why patience and proper confirmation are so important in trading. Instead of guessing, we waited for clear signals, and that's what helped us win this trade. Now let's move on and look for our next perfect setup. Stay tuned. We have spotted another perfect buy trade setup using our strategy. Let's break it down step by step. A bullish indecision, Heikin Ashi doji candle has formed below the SMA line. After that, 3 strong bullish Heikin Ashi candles have broken out of the SMA line and closed above it. A powerful breakout signal. The RSI indicator is also above the 50 level, confirming the bullish momentum. According to our strategy, this is a strong buy opportunity. I always recommend that you first test this strategy on a demo account before using it on a real account. Trading requires patience and practice, and you should only trade with real money when you fully understand the strategy. Once you're confident in your results on the demo account, then you can consider using it in live trading. And there it is, another successful trade following our strategy. Now that you understand the strategy, let's go over the exact indicator settings so you can apply this setup with accuracy. Simple moving average settings. Set period, 13, color and style. Choose a color that stands out on your chart. RSI settings, set period, 12. Along with this, the overbought line of the RSI indicator has to be set at 80 and the oversold line at 20. These settings help us filter strong buy and sell signals while reducing noise, making our strategy even more effective. Now that we know the settings, let's move on and look for our next perfect trading opportunity. All right, traders, here's a perfect example of a trend continuation trade. Just as I explained while going over the trading rules, let's analyze the setup step by step. The market is currently in a strong uptrend. After we won the last buy trade, the price went into consolidation, forming about 7 indecision Heikin Ashi doji candles. This means the market was uncertain about whether to continue going up or reverse. Then, 2 strong bullish Heikin Ashi candles formed, confirming that the market is now ready to continue moving up. The RSI indicator is above 50, which further confirms the bullish momentum. According to our second strategy, this is a great opportunity for a trend continuation buy trade. A trend continuation trade means entering a trade in the direction of the trend after a temporary pause, consolidation. This happens when the price takes a short break before continuing in its original direction. Now let's patiently wait for the trade to close and see the final result together. And there we have it, traders. Another winning trade using our strategy. Quick recap of today's session. We executed multiple trades following clear rules. We saw trend reversal and trend continuation setups in action. We used SMA and RSI indicators for accurate trade confirmations. And most importantly, we stayed disciplined and followed the strategy. Trading is a journey, and every step forward counts. The key to success is practice and patience. Before moving to real trading, test this strategy on a demo account until you feel fully confident. The more you practice, the better you'll get at spotting high-probability setups. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Share it with fellow traders so they can also learn this strategy. Subscribe and enable all notifications so you never miss out on future trading strategies and live sessions. I'll be back soon with more powerful strategies and live trading sessions to help you trade with confidence. Which strategy do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments below. Stay disciplined, trade responsibly, and keep learning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!